Hey, this is Zoe Sunshine Live back with another Barbie video, and let's just get started. I hate sleeping right there. Maybe I should ask Mom if me and you can have Mary's room. You're right. Mom. Wake up. What is it, darling? Well, I was just thinking if me and Charlotte could have Mary's room. Oh no. She would mind. So, y'all will just have to make your own comfy bed. Mom is so mean. You girls come back down here. Oh no. Okay. Wait. Okay, first of all, I'm not mean. And second of all, I'm your mother. How can I be mean? Okay, you girls are grounded. What? And y'all will not be able to go to the jamma. Aww. But Mom, it's our birthdays. Well, y'all's birthdays aren't going to be fun. Go to y'all's room. Go make yourselves a room. All right. Outside. In the dark, days and night. I think I just found ourselves the perfect bedroom. The starter's room. Caprice. Preach. Now we better get in before we spreading. Now it's time for me to have our own comfy bedroom. Hey, let's have a party. Oh, don't invite Mary. Don't invite anyone, because the party's already started. Yeah. Woo. 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 Mary's coming downstairs. We better get there. We better get there. Hey, let's hide our jealousy. Great idea. Great idea. Great idea, Chantel. Come on. Chantel, Merida, can you get out of the way, please? Oh, we're delighted to. Ow. Sister, why stop holding me? Huh? Stop holding me like a Powder Puff baby. We're not babies anymore. We are stepsisters. We're stepsisters from Mary. I'm finally glad we're gonna hide our jealousy and get away with her stuff. And take her room. Right. Caught up with that. Oh, I may have caught up with that. Merida. Have you two seen Cherry and Cherry Bloss? Did someone say Cherry Bloss? Yeah. What about Cherry? Did someone say Cherry? Oh, whoa. No. What are you doing on me? Yeah. Oh, whoa! I'm so sorry. Here, let me help you out. Peach! Let me on. Bye. I'll miss y'all. But Mom said I need to be somewhere away from y'all, but for a long time. What? A long time? But bye. I'll miss y'all. Bye. I'm sorry about that. I'm just preparing my voice. Hey, has anyone seen Mary? Hey, has anyone seen Mary? So, again, this has been Zoe Sunshine Live, signing in. And don't forget to hit that like button if you liked the video.